So I'm going to start with this one. So in your notes, write slab mug steps. I'm going to make mine out of our white clay that we now have again. That way you can make two identical, okay?
Now, with the identical, can we do like a little bit lower than the 5, or does it have to be 5 and 5?
They have to match, whatever. We are going to be using a plastic cylinder. Please stop talking during my demo. You should be writing notes, not talking. Bow stamp to create this design along the outside of my mug. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in at this point. That's the next step. It's kind of a long one. Extra over the entire rectangle. So if I have time, I'll make that one too. Okay, so now I'm ready to add the slab to my cylinder. I'm going to gently So now I have my cylinder, it's attached, and I can add the bottom. So I'm going to use one of these scrap pieces of slab to create the... Okay, so step 7. Inside, you can see right here, it's pretty messy in there. You can see score marks. I've created the body of my mug. Now I can add my handle. It's not going to be comfortable to try and use it. Okay? So step is to create your do not forget to smooth out around where you attached, okay?